Hey guys, today I want to talk about this 2-inch lift kit from Zone Off-Road. This kit will fit 09 to 2020 F-150s, so let's open the box and see what's inside. So the first part I want to talk about in this kit are the top mounted strut spacers. These are thermoplastic synthetic construction for a very durable and clean appearance. The next thing are these 2-inch blocks for the rear that also come with your extended U-bolts and your hardware pack to install to overall give you the 2-inch lift on your truck. These kits are designed to work with your factory suspension, retain your tail-high stance while maintaining your ride quality, to provide for bigger tire clearances, and also Zone comes with Factory Plus protection warranty. If you're wondering what size tire to put on your truck, you can fit up to a 33-inch tire with this kit. And if you want to learn anything more about this kit, go to zoneoffroad.com and visit us on our Facebook and Instagram to stay up to date on anything we got going for you.